After that, this is going to be your favorite way to eat bananas. In a container, add 150 ml of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 packet of organic yeast, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, and with the help of a spatula mix everything very well. After mixing, add a few 300 grams and 50 grams of wet flour and stir. When the dough is firm in this consistency, add a little more flour on top and now stir with your hands. This is the ideal point of the dough, without sticking to the fingers. A super cute dough. Sprinkle some flour on a countertop. Place the dough and start opening with a roll. The dough will look like this. Now just start cutting into strips. After cutting, take a strip and start rolling on a banana. The banana I'm using silver, but you can use the one of your own. And now we start to roll it. After weeding, squeeze so that the dough does not open. That's perfect. Now cut into pieces with the thickness of more or less a finger. This dough yields a lot. You can make a lot of bananas medallions. After cutting, just take to fry in hot oil. Leave the medium heat so the banana does not burn or rising with oil. As soon as golden brown, just remove and leave oil dripping on a paper towel. In another container, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and then pass the banana in that mixture. Your super delicious banana medallion is ready. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.